Hi, I'm Dr. Agatha Bis. In this video, I'm going to talk about when and why I use Vita Enamic. Quick reminder to hit that subscribe button below. Vita Enamic is a unique hybrid ceramic with a dual ceramic polymer network structure. So basically a mix of ceramic infiltrated with resin. That mix results in a strong restoration that also has elasticity, which is a real bonus because it prevents cracks or fractures, which can happen with the more brittle ceramics. The other massive benefit is that it's so fast. You can go from mill to mouth in minutes because Vita Enamic is highly polishable, you don't need a furnace, and it comes in multi-chromatic and various translucency blocks, so it literally looks like a real tooth without any staining or glazing. So essentially, it's a massive time saver. Patients love it because they're able to have their crowns done in one quick appointment without temporizing or having to wait a long time for things to get finished. Vita Enamic is probably the most common type of dental material that I use in my practice, mainly due to its benefits, but also really there's no disadvantages. Thanks for watching, and comment below if you use Vita Enamic in your practice and what your experience has been like.